Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 20th August 2025. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, follow Srimad and show everyone the way to attain liberation and liberation in life. Continue to do this business throughout the day. Question: what subtle things has the Father told you which you have to understand very clearly? Answer: first, the golden age is a land of immortality. There, a soul leaves one costume and takes another. However, there is no mention of death, and this is why it is not called a land of death. Second, Shiv Baba's creation is unlimited, whereas only you Brahmins are the creation of Brahma at this time. One can say Trimurti Shiva, but not Trimurti Brahma. The Father has explained all of these subtle things to you. Think about all of these things and prepare your own food for your intellect. Essence for Dharana. First is, we, the new creation of Brahma, are brothers and sisters, and this has to be understood internally. There is no need to speak about it to others. Constantly maintain the happiness that Shiv Baba is teaching you. Second is, don't give too much importance to food and drink. Renounce greed and remember the happiness of the unlimited sovereignty. Blessing for today. May you become a conqueror of attachment and an embodiment of remembrance by becoming free from your many types of household. Details are: to be a conqueror of attachment to the household of yourself, the household of the divine family, the household of service, and the household of limited attainments means that in order for you to become detached, you should keep Bap-Dada's loving form in front of you and become an embodiment of remembrance. By becoming an embodiment of remembrance, you will automatically become a conqueror of attachment. To be free from all types of household means to finish the consciousness of I and to become a conqueror of attachment. You children, who become conquerors of attachment in this way, will claim a right to a reward for a long period of time by making effort for a long period of time. Slogan is, remain as detached as a lotus flower and you will continue to receive God's love. Om Shanti. Avyakt signals. In order to be an easy yogi, become experienced in God's love. Those who are number one moths do not have any awareness of themselves. This means they have no body consciousness, whether it is day or night, whether they are hungry or thirsty, of the facilities for their happiness or comfort. They are not dependent on anything at all. They are completely lost to all types of awareness of their bodies, that is, they remain constantly merged in love for the flame. Just as the flame is a form of light and might, in the same way, like the flame, they themselves become forms of light and might.